We're back. I'm back.
But your girl's not. Yeah. Ushile. Eh? Hleli phakathi kwe-quantum kumanje. Imoto ayidlila. Badlala ngopetrol kamphathi. Body heater. Right, Nkosi yami.
Petrol kakhabazela. And yeah, we're gonna be reacting to which do girls prefer, light skins or dark skins? Okay.
I already know the answer to this. Women are so predictable.
Yeah, King Oumar. This is his video.
Hey, yo, what it do? What's good, YouTube? This is your boy, K.O. in the cut. K in the what? K.O. in the cut.
I'm in the cut, the boy in the cut.
And we're back in again with another busy banger. You already know the vibes. We ain't hula fish. You already know. Guys, you already know when we pull up to these type of things. We're killing it. Vibes. That's what I'm trying to find out is what these girls are into. Light skins or dark skins. You know what I'm saying?
What are you doing?
Do, man. Do. Hit the... I might as well scream. Did you subscribe? Did you subscribe? Go and subscribe now. Watching this video Tuesday. Here with
Casey
and
Sydney.
okay, so the question we
Hi,
have
Casey.
for today is which type of guys do you prefer, light skins or dark skins?
Light skin, my boyfriend.
What answer did you expect?
What are they supposed to say? Like,
Light skin.
that's not light skin. No, know your market, bro. When you ask those type of questions, that's not light skin. Exhibit A, light skin, dark skin.
Oh.
Light skin,
Inqwele.
dark skin.
Light skin, indoda. Light skin, inkosi. Light skin, ingonyama. Light skin, umphathi. Eh? Light skin, isoka. Light skin, umbem.
Okay, so since you guys are dark skin, that might be a bit of a challenge. But what would you rate me out of 10?
What? Okay.
I don't know.
Look at me now, and tell me what you rate me out of 10.
I think it's 4.
4.
She said you nice, you're 4.
You know what I like about this girl? She's proving me right.
That one there was a violation. Personally, I wouldn't have it.
No, because I have a boyfriend. I'll say 6.
6.
Yes.
She's trying to be humble, but she knows less than shit. Okay, cool.
Yeah,
Yeah, you can.
Player, let's go. I've pushed on girlfriends, ne?
Yeah.
Do you know what's the best of me tonight?
What?
I'm taking both of these girls home tonight.
Oh, so you're eating 2 ones.
2 for 1, bro.
So he's eating 2 ones tonight.
Nice.
Only eating you.
Yes, I'm sleeping.
So you're gonna be the only one tonight.
Okay, bye.
Alright, you guys wanna shout out your Instagrams?
Yeah, at XX_case pin like full stop Y_X.
And
Sydney _fun_dad_reda.
alright, so I'm back here. Hey, you even putting the lipstick and shit, trying to look cute for the camera. Okay. What's your name?
What Laundana they were in the middle of something about Bora. Look at their faces.
Fun_dad_reda.
Alright, so I'm back here. Hey, you even putting the lipstick and shit, trying to look cute for the camera. Okay. What's your name?
Nadine.
And?
Paula.
Okay, so the question we have for today is, what type of gents do you guys prefer, light skins or dark skins?
Dark skins.
Dark skins. Which type of gents do you prefer, light skins or dark skins?
Dark skins.
Dark skins. You like the juicy meat?
Yeah.
Okay. So, just a little question for today. Another one is, what would you rate me out of 10?
9. It's 8.
I don't do that. You said
This is the most indecisive girl I've ever seen on YouTube.
9 already. No, we only had 9. We didn't get no 8. She said 9. How much would you rate me out of 10?
7.
7. Personally, I wouldn't accept that.
Why?
Because I don't think I'm a 7. I think I'm way better than 7. Don't you think?
Maybe 8.
Clearly
Maybe
not.
8. Okay, I can live with that. So what are the chances of me being your next boyfriend? If I had to shoot my shot, you think I would shoot? None. So if I had to shoot my shot, I would miss?
Yes.
ingako ke majongo kufanele ufake umqhele hlukane nodudu inland wave cap umqhele hayi cha iduku linendima yayo liyayidlala indima yayo nihlangane eziningi yabo zethu siyaphambili kodwa lento eshayinayo le highly flammable.
Stop the cap.
Oh, that's stop the cap.
So if I had to shoot my shot, I would miss. Okay, do you guys want to drop your Instagram handles?
Excuse me?
Drop your Instagram.
It's Lady RSA.
And
Slay PK.
shout out, guys. Thanks for being in the video. And we out DB. So I'm back again and I'm here with Megan and
Bella.
Okay, Megan and Bella. So today, the first question we have for today is, which type of guys do you guys prefer, light skins or dark skins?
Girls.
That's not the question.
Which type of girls do you guys prefer, light skins or dark skins?
I would say I actually like both.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Mix, you know what I'm saying?
Okay, you?
Light skins.
Light skins, guys or girls?
Guys.
Guys, okay. Guys, see you guys. Since you only into girls, I think this question only.
How are you a team in your different missions? Like, what tag team is this?
For her. What would you rate me out of 10?
It's not going well for you today.
I don't know.
She wouldn't rate you.
Yeah, well, don't be shy.
Don't be shy. Be honest. No, be honest.
I don't know, like I don't know, Megan.
Oh, what was Megan? Where's the guy?
Why asking?
Yeah. I don't want to compliment anyone, you know, because I'm a boyfriend.
She implied it there.
Okay. And you, what would you rate me though? Although you're into girls.
I'm into girls, but I mean, as a friend, I'm sure 10 out of 10. As a friend.
Okay.
She just called you a bitch to your face. They're like,
Okay. She put me in her friends and she had a 10 out of 10. Okay. Cool. Okay, cool. So the other question we have for today is, hey, this question doesn't even apply to you because since you are into girls. But you know what they say. What are the chances of me being your next boyfriend?
Oh, well, you know how... So you know how the sky is red, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, those are the chances.
Yeah.
Okay, that's late.
hey, le ntombazane ayigage ifuna ingquza at all costs ayigage baba uyazi into yasekayo.
You what are the chances of me being your next boyfriend? I mean, you have a boyfriend, but that don't matter.
No answers.
She doesn't even rate
We
you.
rejected on
Wouldn't
live
even-
camera. Okay, it's cool. It's
Wish
general.
this wasn't rolling.
Yeah, man. Now look, do you guys want to shout out your Instagrams?
My Instagram.
Yeah.
It's
You
nah.
don't want to shout out
I don't even fucking know the name.
And your Instagram?
Yeah, no, it's
This is
also
a
complicated.
Bella.
No.
How is that so complicated?
Okay, cool. Alright, thanks ladies for being in the video and me out this beat. You already know the vibes, we're back again and I'm here with.
Hey, kwaqala ingane zabelungu kukuphi la? Where is this place? I've never seen so many white girls in one place.
Bianca.
And?
Sean,
The Titanic.
I've never watched Titanic.
to you.
Okay, so the first question we have for the day is, what type of guys do you guys...
Ngiyile ngiyinqwele ngiyijobo akenze ubukala ngasimba. Hey.
prefer, light skins or dark skins?
I don't mind.
Don't mind.
I don't mind.
Light skin.
You into light?
Welcome to tonight's
What are you
doing? Get out of the video. Off. Can you not see me being supposed to be in that fucking YouTube picture? YouTube picture. YouTube picture.
Okay, well, what will you guys rate me out of 10?
6.2.
Yo. 6.2. What the fuck? You know.
I will start saying that.
Yeah.
I'll start saying that.
But what the hell is the point two? Because what's the point? Because you're gonna round off and
Oh no, you pretty nice. Snazzy. Kind of getting me off. I think you should go with like black to miss the next outfit. Yellow's kind of out.
Let me check out the video.
You have the waves though. That's
Oh, if I have waist, will I get a 9?
sure.
If I rose it, I get a 9.
We're doing this for 9. let's see. And rate them.
What if he doesn't have waves? Then that's
Then we give him a 0.
Waves has to be one of the worst hair type I've seen on guys like ever. I don't get the point. Especially go Oumar Oumar lapho ku power.
Yeah.
It's like futhi abakeke unowaye kakhulu abebakhulu lo baba ngestil ulwenzani kanti hayi ngeke
Man swimming! So,
automatic line.
okay, thanks for being with you. You want to drop your Instagrams?
I don't have Instagram.
Instagram?
Don't have Instagram. Bianco, Timon.
Don't have Instagram.
For everyone who does have Instagram, you're beautiful.
Shout out. And we out, DB.
intabadahoyo.
Alright, so we're back it again in Army. What's your name?
Guys, what the fuck is this?
What's your
Hey,
name?
well, I'm a videographer, right?
What's your name?
Oh, my name, D. Nice to meet you, bro.
Okay, what's your name?
Taz.
So now so great.
Amy.
Okay, so the first question we have for today is, what type of, for you, obviously, because you're Jen, what type of girls do you prefer, light skins or dark skins?
Light skin.
Light skins?
Yeah.
What type of guys do you prefer, light skins or dark skins?
Light skin.
Light skins, dark skins?
It's light skin.
Light skins. Okay, cool. So, since you guys said light skins, this might be a bit tricky, but what do you guys rate me out of 10?
Rate you out of 10?
Yeah.
I'll give you a
Abakhulu kulo uyafaka. Kwenzekani la?
15, bro. You look very safe.
Appreciate it.
This guy's gonna steal our bitches.
No cap!
No one's bitch, yeah. But anyway, like a 7.
7. Okay.
So give about 7 or 8.
Okay, cool. That's light. You guys want to drop your Instagrams?
Yeah. Cali Dean. Cali_Dean.
Your Instagram?
T Sundays, you'll find it.
Okay.
Amy Kutia _X.
Okay, thanks for being with you guys, and we out DB.
Touch me, nigga.
Every
Lokwenzani? Bayokwenzani?
Ayisho mbuzeli.
Bayokwenzani?
Uthi preferred.
Nakho-ke ukuthi uyi-15
Come pay for that extra 5.
ushaye induku zakhe
Come pay for that extra 5.
kuyagqilazwa.
We're back again. I'm here. What's your name?
Mariki.
And
Abigail.
Yo,
so
Mari.
the question we have for today is something live. We have to know which guys do you guys prefer, light skins or dark skins?
Light skin.
Light skins.
I prefer both.
Oh, you never.
It's not a preference if it's both, but okay.
Both.
What would you rate me out of 10?
I would say 9.5.
Okay. So, is there a chance that I could be your potential next boyfriend?
Maybe.
Maybe.
Probably.
She want me.
Alright, okay, let's cut the cameras and get those digits, make that shit happen, Do you guys want to shout out your Instagram?
I'm sure. Yes, please.
What's your Instagram?
Mariki.x.
And?
Abby with a lot of stripes.
Alright, so I'm back in again. I'm here. What's your name?
Kayla.
And?
Anne-Marie.
Okay, so today what I want to find out is, which type of guys do you guys prefer, light skins or dark skins?
I don't mind.
You don't have a
Whatever goes, hey.
Light skins or dark skins?
Same.
Okay, cool. What would you rate me out of 10?
You.
Yes.
8.
8.
Yes. 8.
So you think there's a chance of me being your next potential boyfriend?
Yes.
Usekhona uDaniel Bryan.
Nah, he's on AEW.
Ini?
He's on another wrestling show.
Ibizwane?
AEW.
Unobani le?
CM Punk is back. He's there. There's the Dean Ambrose, who used to be.
I remember
He's
Dean
now
Ambrose.
John Moxley. There's Chris Jericho. There's
Chris Jericho mdala angakusaqhuma.
Yeah.
Yo.
That's an idiot.
Must I drop my Instagram?
Yes.
Kayla Kraus. CAYLACROUSE. The beard Anne-Marie.
Okay, thanks for being in the video. Hey man, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you're
Yeah, that was the video. Cool video. I liked it.
No comment.
King Oumar does not disappoint mostly. Let me just say it doesn't. But yeah,
Khuluma ndoda.
but yeah, like, subscribe, comment, and
Suggest any videos you'd like us to react to. don't forget to share this link with
Your family and friends.
nentombi yakho and your girlfriend.
See, now you're isolating other people who don't have girlfriends.
Share it with your crush ngoba noma crush angithi. Kodwa unamanamba akho mbiza nge crush. Amadoda easy phuku nandi.
Peace, we're done.